Isa, for our next lesson, it's math. You have to count these objects and then count these objects. And then when you add it, this is the resulting answer. And you also count it, okay? And then you put the numbers in the boxes, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Oh, how many stars?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, put 3 on the box. Yeah, right. That's right. 3. Put it there. You need help. Like that. Oh, how many stars are this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. You put it on the box. Inside.
A line in mommy's tummy.
Yeah.
I need help.
You can do it. Yeah. Like that. What number is this? 6.
6,
This one.
3.
3 plus 6 equals. Oh, you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No. You do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many?
9.
Oh, you put 9 here.
But I can't.
You can do it. A circle and a...
Is this the stick in mommy's tummy?
No, it's 6. It's a circle and...
Mommy's tummy?
Nope. Circle and a stick. Like A, but a longer stick. Circle. And a stick. Ay. Okay, that's enough. Next, mangoes. How many mangoes are there?
1, 2, 3.
You put 3 here again.
I already did this.
Yeah, you already did this. And do it here again.
But I can't.
You can do it. Ay, no. Like that. How many mangoes are here? Count. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Okay. Put it on inside the box.
Inside the box.
Put it like that.
But who said color this one?
No, it says write the correct number.
But who says color this one, and then Wawa said write the correct numbers.
Oh, you count how many. 3 plus 7 equals how many mangoes? Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You put 10 inside the box.
A line and
Yeah, it's very easy. You can do it. Line and a circle.
I can.
You can. Do it. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, good. Next, what's this object? I don't know what that is. What's that? Is it a bell? Maybe it's a bell. Oh, you count.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. You put 4 there. You can do it.
But I can't.
Do it.
Is it a bell?
4. And then a line. Good. How about this one?
It's number 1.
I'll put it here. It's very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah, right. 4 and 1 equals how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, put it there. Very easy.
But I can't.
You can. Try it. See, you can do it. Good. Next. Isa, here. You should add the following. Oh. What's this?
What?
0
0
and 1
and 1.
equals?
No.
1. You put 1 here.
But
Very easy.
But there's 1 over
No.
there.
No 1 pa. This is 1 and then you put 1 here again.
Again?
Oo.
Yeah, didn't put 1 there.
You have to do it by yourself. That's very easy. This one again. 1
1
plus
plus 0
equals.
equals.
How many? It's 1 again.
1 again.
Do it. Very easy.
Very easy.
Do it.
Very easy.
Very easy. You can do it.
Mommy, this
1 plus 1 equals how many? 2. Put 2 there.
Yaya put the wrong milk at Ava's. Yaya put my milk Yaya put my milk at Ava's milk.
Yes. 1 plus
2
equals.
goes 3.
Put 3.
Remember, I watched that number blocks like this, and then
You learn numbers.
and 1 and then 2 makes 3.
Yeah. Okay. Put it here. Good job. Galing mo. No, that's not it. Yan. How about 2 and 1 equals?
2 and 1 equals 3.
Yes. Put it here. How to put 3? Ganun. Ganun. Yan. Good. Done.
Then my test.
Ganun. Say done.
Done.